Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps logging on the application of Rapid TV. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list we click on Rapid TV. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. After that we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.